Hello, friends. Myself, Dr. Deepa, a homeopath at your service. Today, I am going to discuss about climate change, pollution, agri practices causing illness. That is what the latest research is telling. If you are doing a good diet, good exercise, but still you are not well, so what is the cause? What you are going to give to your next generation? After so many diet, after so many exercise, after so many fitness mantras, fitness gurus, still your health is not good. What is the problem? Where is the problem? Dear friends, a new study has established interconnection between climate, air quality, and agriculture and their combined impact on public health. It categorizes health impacts into heat related illness such as exhaustion, heat stroke, cardiovascular events, pollution related illnesses such as asthma, enhanced risk of lung cancer, and chronic pulmonary diseases, and nutrition related illnesses such as anemia in women of reproductive age and iron and zinc deficiency. Recently, I visited a nearby village. There, the young women's, they are not good. They are because there is no food to eat, and in this urban area, the ladies are having iron deficiency because of a dieting. So both the things are not good. And again, this environmental agriculture factors is affecting the health impact. This interaction between climate, agriculture, and air quality to specific health impact create a composed picture of the effects on public health due to anthropogenic, human-induced environmental changes, says the paper titled A Systems Lens to Evaluate the Compound Human Health Impacts of Anthropogenic Activities. The study published in the journal One Earth on Monday calls for the attention of policymakers to consider these diverse and dynamic interlinkage and approach to public health through a comprehensive scientific lens. Today is Wednesday, 22nd September. This article was published on Monday on 20 September. Using examples from India, the scientists have emphasized the need for better tools and local high resolution data on health, weather, emissions, air pollution, and land use to evaluate human and environmental impacts on public health. Agriculture practices impact air quality, but air quality also impacts agriculture, all amplified by human induced climate changes. India, the research says, is one of the most vulnerable regions to environment related health hazards owing to its high population density, high poverty rates, severe food insecurity, and over reliance on agriculture. So, the latest studies simultaneous exposure to extreme weather events due to large scale climate change, poor air quality due to local air pollution, and food and water crisis can lead to a complex and compound health issues in developing nations. Another example is when seawater intrusion along coastal regions leads to diseases like cholera, but also compromises agriculture, food, and water quality over the region. Study takes the issue further and links climate change with public health. The pathways shown in this research can inform policymakers to make some tough decision to course correct the present pathway. Climate and agriculture interactions are critical to understanding health impacts in South Asia due to regions extensive agriculture driven land use change, cropping patterns, and high prevalence of livelihood base in smallholder farming. This is what the new latest research is telling. So, dear friends, the excessive dieting, the exercise, fitness, now the time has come to think of yourself planting a tree, maintaining not for the air pollution, adapt for the safer aspect. Just now we have faced with the COVID crisis, and now upcoming what you are going to give to your grandchildren is mostly important. Myself, Dr. Deepa, do subscribe, to my channel.